गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Virtuous souls. Now the question is that God Himself comes to tell this true knowledge. And how did we get stuck here? God Himself comes and gives us this knowledge. For that, God gave some knowledge of the creation created by Him. Until we will not get familiar with this true spiritual knowledge, till then we cannot understand the spiritual knowledge. Who are we? Why, souls, we used to listen till now from these sages and great sages that we should have a self-knowledge. God tells,
कूप की छाया और कूप के माही ऐसा आत्मज्ञाना।
just as the shadow of the well is limited to the well, it has no use outside.
कुएं की छाया का, कूप की छाया कूप के माही ऐसा आत्मज्ञाना।
Self-knowledge is who we are. Where have we come from? What is the purpose of our living here? This is self-knowledge. And then the knowledge of God. Who is that God? Where is He? How is He? How is He attained? We are trying to attain Him. What benefit do we have from Him? This is divine knowledge. So here in the satsang, both self-knowledge as well as the knowledge of God is told. Now everyone knows why we are stuck here. We are living beings. Everyone tells that we are creatures, and the law for the creatures is birth and death. And we have to worship here and go to heaven. What do we have to do in heaven? There we will enjoy luxury and have fun. For how many days will you have fun there? Do not know. You will have fun equal to devotional earnings in your account. You will spend your virtues that you have accumulated by performing devotion. Those will be wasted in heaven, and great heaven form hotel, and after spending and enjoying later, you will come back because that is your place to enjoy. Good deeds will be accumulated by coming here on earth. Now, after gaining devotional earning, we will go to the place for which we have done devotion, and we will come back after wasting our time and finishing our earnings. This birth and death will continue forever. And they have made the final law that birth and death happens to all. And if someone tells about salvation, they say that the soul gets merged with God as the drop of water in the ocean. God is formless. And then they say that He is seen in meditation. When He is seen in meditation, how is He formless? Then they twist the matter that we have seen divine light, have seen the radiance of God. Like someone says that I saw a tube light. Some blind says that I saw a tube light, and if he is asked, how is the tube light? And he says, I see everything. If someone asks him, how is the tube whose light you have seen? And that blind says like this, that the tube is formless, it does not exist. How will the light be without a tube? How is light without God? So this was our misguided knowledge that complete God told 600 years ago. What did he tell?
धर्मदास ये जग बोराना, कोई न जाने पद निर्वाणा।
Like you saw in the morning satsang in Rig Ved Mandal number 9, Sukt number 86, mantras 26 and 27, in Rig Ved Mandal number 9, Sukt 82, in mantra number 1, 2 and 3, you have seen that it has been written in the glory of God that Supreme God lives in the third abode of salvation. He is seated in the third place of Dhulok. From there, he descends like a very fast moving object, comes like lightning, and is obtained by virtuous souls, meets pious souls, meets best souls. So which God has performed such a spectacle? Only God Kabir has done so. Whom we used to consider gods, none of their spectacles are glorified according to the Vedas. Only the glory of Kabir ji is according to the Vedas.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।